The illusion that all people in Shandong can drive excavators originated from an advertising slogan broadcast on TV by Lanxiang Technical Training School in Shandong Province. Which company has the best excavator technology? Look for Lanxiang from Shandong, China. Because the slogan of this TV advertisement is simple, has a wide impact, and is easy to remember. Therefore, a stereotype has been left to netizens from other provinces in China. Every Shandongese can drive an excavator, and they can drive it very well.